With the increasing demand for food, technology engineers have researched and introduced useful agricultural machinery that can operate efficiently in all fields to meet these needs. What does it look like and how do they work? Right now, Far Window will take you to see and experience them. If you find our machines interesting, please like and subscribe to continue following our next videos. The image you are currently seeing is the John Deere 9500i combine harvester and the Massey Ferguson truck. Both are working together to harvest grass. The John Deere 9500i cuts the grass and brings it into the threshing and grinding compartment onto the container using a blower tube. Common crops harvested using this machine include wheat, soybeans, rice, corn, grass, straw, and many other types of plants. This machine has a powerful engine designed to increase harvesting efficiency. The John Deere 8600i is also a specialized harvester from John Deere with a powerful engine of up to 625 horsepower thanks to its diesel engine. It is equipped with an automatic steering and wheel lock system, making it easier to control the machine. In addition, its small turning radius makes it convenient to move in tight spaces. The harvesting capacity of the John Deere 8600i ranges from 300 to 400 tons of grass per hour, depending on factors such as weather and grass characteristics. The machine can operate continuously for many hours and maintain high performance, saving time and effort in grass harvesting. The Avant 745 is a specialized device manufactured by Optimal to cut, move, and transplant trees. The machine uses a cut land system to safely and efficiently remove trees from the ground, with the ability to move trees with a diameter ranging from 20 to 60 centimeters and a trunk height from 60 to 240 centimeters. The machine also supports tree transplantation, allowing for quick and accurate repositioning. The utility feature of Avant 745 is its ability to move plants flexibly and efficiently, without affecting the plant's root system and growth potential. The Claas Zarian 4000 is designed for harvesting hemp weasel fiber. The machine has a MAN D2676 LUE62 engine with a cylinder capacity of 12.4 liters. The harvesting mechanism involves cutting blades to cut the hemp weasel plant stems, followed by a pulling and redirecting component to guide the plants into the machine. Inside the machine, screens separate the leaves and branches from the hemp weasel fibers, which are then collected and bundled for further processing. According to user data, it can harvest 8 to 14 tons of hemp weasel fiber per hectare of land, achieving higher efficiency than other traditional machines. In France, cider production is famous in the northern region. A machine is used to shake ripe apples from the trees to ensure the quality of apples used in cider production. This machine can clamp the apple tree trunk tightly and use a vibrating mechanism with a vibration frequency ranging from 10 to 30 Hz to help the ripe apples fall without damaging the trees. The machine can also adjust the vibration level accordingly to fit each type of fruit. Next is a concentrically using structured apple harvester to harvest apples on the ground. The scattered apples are swept up by the machine's fan blades and conveyed on a conveyor belt. To ensure quick and efficient harvesting without compromising quality, the machine has multiple layers of sweepers and cushions to minimize impact during harvesting. Let's go back to the vast fields of the Netherlands, where beans are one of the important crops, with a stable annual yield of around 140,000 tons. To harvest beans from mid-June to September, people use the highly rated Pleger EPD bean harvester, which operates continuously and optimizes productivity. The Pleger EPD can achieve productivity from 1.5 to 3 tons of beans per hour, with advanced features and automation capabilities. With the help of this machine, the bean harvesting process can be quick and efficient, ensuring timely harvesting and reducing waste and costs for farmers. The Fendt 720 is one of Fendt's advanced and efficient harvesting machines. It is designed to meet carrot harvesting needs. It has many modern mechanisms such as a MAN D0836 engine with a maximum power output of 200 horsepower, smart harvesting mechanisms, and improved features. The manufacturer estimates that this machine can harvest 8 to 10 tons per day depending on the type of food to be harvested. The Case YH9240 is a high-end axial flow rice combine harvester from Case IH, equipped with a 16.16-liter Cursor 16 diesel engine and a maximum power output of up to 634 horsepower. The ProDrive automatic steering system and intelligent control system make it easier for operators to use and increases harvesting efficiency. Furthermore, combining the independent classification system and the AccuGuide automatic steering system helps to increase cleanliness and accuracy during harvesting, ensuring the end product has the best quality. The harvester's width reaches 8 meters, increasing the harvesting productivity to 4.3 miles per hour. Sugarcane in China is usually planted around early spring, from February to April. To keep the sugarcane moist when rinsing, it is necessary to spread straw on the planting ridges. As the video shows, this process uses a simple machine that spreads straw to prepare for sugarcane planting. Each spreading can be done on 3 ridges, a cost-effective way to help make sugarcane cultivation more efficient. Agriculture engineers have created an orange harvester machine to assist farmers in harvesting. This machine has 6 location standing positions and helps harvest oranges about 3 meters high quickly and conveniently. With this machine, everybody can harvest oranges from any position without worrying about missing any or having to move around a lot. A compact grass baling machine has been developed to make the harvesting and preservation of grass easier. The device is equipped with a 50 kilowatts Case 130 pulling head and a grass baling mechanism, creating rectangular bales approximately 50 cm long. After baling, the grass bales are pushed out of the container behind. Its small and efficient design makes this machine convenient for collecting and storing grass. The John Deere 8360R tractor and Lemken Diamant 12 plow set is one of the perfect duos for land cultivation in modern agriculture. The Lemken Diamant plow set with 12 large plow blades and an adjustable depth of up to 30 cm allows deep and powerful digging and tilling, helping to remove plant debris, excess materials, and hard soil clumps. With a width of up to 3.5 meters per plowing, the machine helps to cultivate large fields quickly and efficiently. The sugar beet harvesting machine is designed with large wheels and a powerful engine, allowing it to move flexibly on all terrain to harvest high-quality sugar beets. It can cut the grass around the rows of beets and then use controllers to cut and bundle them together, saving workers time and effort while increasing productivity and harvest quality. With the development of technology, sugar beet harvesting machines are increasingly upgraded and improved to meet the needs of farmers and the market. The previous video, Far Window, took you into the world of favorite agricultural machines. It helped provide global food, including ourselves. Let's follow this topic with Far Window by liking and subscribing to the channel not to miss the next videos.